A very good morning to you all. How are you all? All are fine? Safe at home? Super dear. Today is what day? Yes, today is Monday. Today is Monday. So today what writing time? You don't know. Shall I share with you? Yes, today is English subject. So what note we want to take? Yes, you want to take the 2 lines note. This is your 2 lines note. Everyone taken your 2 lines note? And with the help of your mama, papa, divide the note into 2 halves. See, in the middle you have to divide it. First portion for the English subject and the second half for the Hindi subject. Okay, now you understood. First half for the English, second half for the, yes, very good dear, Hindi subject. So you can make a mountain like this. Have you make a mountain like this? It's very nice, no? Now you write Hindi subject here. So this portion for Hindi subject, first portion for the English subject. So take the note. Get ready with your pencil, eraser. Everyone taken? Very good dear. I love you dear. So shall we start writing now? Yes. At the top, write today's date. What is the date today? Yes, very good dear. And the topic. Shall we start writing now? What topic we are going to write? Very simple dear. What you have learnt in junior KG, that only we are going to apply here. So today topic is A to M, alphabet letters. So everyone written the topic, decorate the topic. Yes, A to M, alphabet writing only, alphabet letters writing only we are going to write. Shall we start writing? What is the first alphabet? Yes, A. See, right slanting line, left slanting line, small sleeping line. A say alligator. You should write inside the 2 lines. Small 2 line is there, no? Touch it. Yes. Complete writing the alphabet letter A. Very good. Next, what letter will come? Yes, B. Near to you have to write. No. Keep your forefinger in the middle. Then start writing. Standing line to inverted C. What came? What letter this is? B. B say book. You tell the related object and write. Okay. Again keep the forefinger. Then write. What letter? C. C say candle. Next. Keep the forefinger and write. Yes, standing line, inverted C. What letter came? D. D say dinosaur. Okay, next. Keep the forefinger and write standing line, 3 sleeping line. What letter came? E. E say elephant. Very good dear. Now, next what letter? Yes, very good dear. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. One is big, one is small. So what letter came? F. F say fork. Next what letter? C. Sleeping line, standing line. What letter came? G. G say goose. Next. Yes, very good dear. Very good children you are. Standing line. Again one more standing line. Middle sleeping line. What letter came? H say house. H after what letter will come? Yes. Standing line. Upper sleeping line. Down sleeping line. What is this? I say Igloo. Very good dear. What have now I have to do? Yes, keep your forefinger, give the space and write. Next what letter? Yes. See, standing line, one small bending and up sleeping line. What letter came? J say juice. Next, standing line, up slanting line, down slanting line. What letter came? K. K say kangaroo. Next, K after what letter will come? Standing line and down sleeping line. What letter this is? L. L say lamb. Next, L after what letter will come? Yes, very good dear. Yum. One standing line, again one standing line. Join the two standing line with the inverter with the V. So what letter came? M. M say monkey. Very good dear. Today writing time is completed. Myself is completed. You all completed? You are completed. Very good. Pat yourself. Hey, super dear. So what is the writing time today? A to M. Very very simple, no? So after finishing the writing time, what you have to do? Take a photocopy and post it in the in the software. Very good. If you completed, I would give 5 stars. Okay. Before ending the session, shall we start the rhymes? Yes. Very simple rhymes, dear. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. X Y Z. Butter on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. A, you like it? Then practice the rhymes at your home and complete the writing time and post it in the software. Before ending the session, shall I give some tips? Yes. When anybody enter to your room, what you have to give? Shake your hands? No. You give the hand wash and after ask them to hand wash nicely. Then after you give a sanitizer and allow them to your room, inside your room. Okay dear. If your papa, mama going outside now, what you have to tell? Ask them to wear the mask and go. Okay. Advise them wherever they go. Kindly ask them to wear the mask like this. You should wear the mask like this. You should cover your nose and your mouth like this. Then ask your papa, mama to go outside. Okay dear. Until bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.